First job of the day. Gonna do some drywall and some cotton candy and some metal. Let's get it loaded. Got our first load of drywall. Let's unload this and then come back for all of that. And that's the second load. Job done. We're gonna head to job number 2. It's just a fridge. I forgot to record, so we're already at the landfill / scrapyard, so we're just gonna drop it off here. These are nasty. Can't really see them right now, but we saw quite a few bed bugs, so that's pretty gross. But yeah, job number 3. We're finishing the day off with some infested mattresses. Nice. So on that drywall job, we also picked up a little bit of metal here, so we're just at the landfill already. Gonna drop this off first and then drop off the drywall. Let's drop off the drywall. We're gonna keep these for our next job here.
We walked that season of gold. I'd walk it again with you. Clouded moments, hazy pictures in my mind. I've seen this moment before. Can I go there again with you? Reminisce of where time.
What a load! Most of it is just cardboard and styrofoam. Now that we got all that, we gotta separate all the styrofoam that's in the cardboard. They don't want cardboard mixed with styrofoam or plastic, so we gotta separate everything there. Alright, this is the last job for the week here. Just some garbage construction material. So let's get it loaded up. It's actually so cold right now. It's only October 17, and it's freezing. Sorry guys.